Hi, Steve Anderson here. In June of 2008, an employee of Perpetual Storage picked up computer backup tapes from the University of Utah Medical Center. Those tapes contained approximately 1.7 million patient records. Those tapes were stolen out of that employee's car that night. According to Utah state notification laws, the University of Utah was required to notify those 1.7 million people of the possibility of an identity theft situation. They did that, and in the process incurred approximately $3.3 million of expense. As you can imagine, lawsuits have been flying. The University of Utah has requested that Perpetual Storage reimburse them for the notification expenses they incurred. Perpetual put on notice their insurance carrier, Colorado Casualty Insurance Company, and their agent, United Insurance Services, and filed a claim. The Colorado Casualty Insurance Company has filed a motion with the court to declare that there is no coverage under the general liability or the umbrella liability policy that they wrote. Perpetual Storage and the University of Utah has replied to those suits, stating a number of things, but probably most important, at least for our discussion, is the agency in the suit is accused of failing to obtain the proper or needed insurance coverages for Perpetual, and that if there is no insurance coverage under the current policies provided by Colorado Casualty, then the insurance agency should be liable for all of the expenses incurred by the University of Utah. Well, 45 states have notification laws in place currently. The state of Massachusetts law went into effect March 1st and is currently the most stringent. So the question for you to ask is, what are you doing to protect your agency from, first, a breach of data? An insurance agency maintains more private information on their clients than just about any other entity. So you need to make sure you're taking the proper steps to protect that information. Second, what are you doing to notify your existing clients of the possibility that they could have a data breach and incur significant expenses? It is unlikely that any existing general liability or umbrella liability policy will provide coverage. So, are you notifying your clients and recommending that they get a quote on network security and privacy coverage? It is available. It's not that expensive. There are, however, many things that you need to be aware of in what is provided and not provided on those policies. That is why the information provided in the Anderson Report on Client Information Security is so important. I urge you to take a look at the detailed information contained on this site for what is covered in the 3 different manuals that we provide. The Report on Client Information Security, a report on how to create an employee training program, and finally a report on how to perform an information security audit. I urge you to seriously consider this information, and if you think it's right for you, click on the Buy Now button located at the bottom of this page.